kite up there somewhere. Where is it? There it is. Oh, there's the kite. Hi guys, we're down at Portishead. That's the golf course over there. It's windy. I got the Delta kite and the Picavet, the kite aerial photography, with an action camera on it. I'm going to tie off the kite onto this and then see if we can attach that and see how we get on. Right, it's up there, looks fairly stable, so we'll bring it all the way back down again, just walk the line down and then put the Picavet on it. Right, that's the general idea, if you haven't seen one before. That's supposed to keep itself level. That's it. Well, we have to walk it all the way up there first, or bring the kite down, walk that up to the other end, and then that should be staying level. Right. There we are, we're up. Relatively stable. I haven't got the pick of it at the right angle though. That's waving around. Right, put it down again. Tighter. Go. Well, it's up there at the moment. There's plenty of wind up at that height. I gave most of my kites away, but I saved that one for this purpose. I've got a nasty feeling the camera might be pointing up a bit too high. Mind you, it's rocking around like anything up there. Oh well, we'll find out when we play it back. See what we've got. Nanny's using my main camera to try and get pictures of it for me. Right, bringing it down again now. pen's dropped. Right, that'll do. We're down.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.